Hi, I'm Helen, and today I'm going to show you how to smash a double glazed window.
Power tools from every woman.
You might find yourself in a situation where you really need to get out. So, I'm going to show you how to smash a window. Most modern windows today are double glazed, which makes them really strong. And the reason is because the two panes of glass, the air trap between them acts as a shock absorber. So your natural instinct might be just to pick something up and throw it at the middle of the window. That's not going to work, it's just going to bounce back at you. I'm going to show you a technique that will work. Everyone should know this. It could be life-saving. It's like knowing first aid. For this job you will need glasses, gloves, if you have them, an iron, and a tea towel or a big towel. You need to protect your eyes first of all. So, if you've got goggles, that's great. If not, maybe some sunglasses, swimming goggles, even a hat pulled down over your eyes, because there's going to be glass flying about. And the next thing to think about is protecting your body. So if you've got an old coat or a blanket or a towel, you can use that to protect yourself. Next, think about protecting your hands. Now, if you've got gloves, that's great. So thick gloves, woolen, even mittens, but not rubber gloves because they're not going to work. You could use a towel or tea towels, something you can wrap around your hands. Also think about your feet. Shoes are best, but if not, even a pair of socks, they'll help. Because as I said, there's going to be glass. We're going to need something that's going to smash this. It needs to have a hard, pointed end. So have a look around the house and see what's there. Could be the end of a saucepan, could be a hammer. If you've got one lying around, that's fantastic. If not, what about an iron? So, smashing the window. There's only one way to do it, and this is the most important thing I'm going to tell you. It needs to be in the bottom corner. Imagine the size of a tea bag. And X marks the spot. I call this shade Rebel.
Power tools for every woman. Power tools for every woman.
Let's get smashing. Goggles on. Towel. I'm using an iron. Hard pointed end. I don't know how hard to hit it, so I'm going to give it a little test hit. And I'm going to use a swing-like motion. That's my plan. So let's give it a go, see what happens. Okay? Aiming for that cross. Oh, that missed. Oh, that was good. Okay, so now we've got a dent in there. Just keep going and really imagine pushing it right through the window, not hitting it, because it will go through. I will through one pane. Let's get through the next one.
Imale